In every exam, map pointing is very important regarding social sciences. So, in this video, we are going to see some of the important peaks in Indian map. Okay, what are the important peaks? First, we see in Himalayas, some ranges are divided. What are the ranges? This range is called as Karakoram range. Karakoram range, and this range is called as Jaskar range. Sorry, it is a Jammu range or Ladakh. Ladakh range, and this range is called as Jaskar range. Jaskar range. And these three are the ranges in Himalayas. In this K2, this is the K2 peak. K2 peak is the highest peak in Karakoram range. K means Karakoram range. So height of the K2 peak is 8,611 meters. What is the height of the K2 peak? The height of the K2 peak is 8,611 meters. And in the Ladakh range or Jammu range, it is Nanga Parbat. Nanga Parbat. What is the height of the Nanga Parbat? The height of the Nanga Parbat is 8,826 meters. What is the height of the Nanga Parbat in Ladakh range? The height of the Nanga Parbat peak is 8,826 meters. Next, when we come down here, it is another peak, another important peak in Himalayan range is Nanda Devi. Nanda Devi. What is the height of the Nanda Devi? The height of the Nanda Devi is 7,817 meters. What is the height of the Nanda Devi peak in Himalayas? The Nanda Devi peak in Himalayas height is 7,817 meters. Next one, the height of next important peak is Dhavalagiri. What is the height of the Dhavalagiri? The height of Dhavalagiri is 8,177 meters. What is the height of the Dhavalagiri? The height of the Dhavalagiri peak in Himalayas is 8,177 meters. Next peak is Annapurna. What is the next peak? Annapurna. The height of the Annapurna, the peak Annapurna, the height of the Annapurna is 8,078 meters. 8,078 meters. Next, another important peak is, we all are know that it is the world's highest peak in the world. Highest peak in the world is, it is Everest. What is the height of the Everest? The height of Everest peak is 8,848 meters. This Everest peak is located in Tibetan Plateau in Tibet. The height, it is the world's highest peak. The height is 8,848 meters. Next one, Makalu. What is the next peak? Next peak in Himalayas is Makalu. The height of Makalu. The height of Makalu is 8,481 meters. What is the height of the Makalu peak? 8,481 meters. Next, important peak in Himalayan range is Kanchenjunga or Kanchenjunga. Here it is located here, near to the Assam. Near to Assam, the Kanchenjunga peak was located. What is the height of the Kanchenjunga peak? The height of the Kanchenjunga peak is 8,598 meters. What is this peak? It is Kanchenjunga. The peak, Kanchenjunga peak, height of Kanchenjunga peak is 8,598 meters. Next and last peak, important peak in Himalayas is Nancha Barwa. It is located easternmost side of India. So what is the height of this Nancha Barwa? The height of Nancha Barwa peak in Himalayan range is 7,756 meters. The height of Nancha Barwa peak is 7,756 meters. These are the important peaks in Himalayan range. Okay. Again, I will repeat. See here, there are ranges in Himalayan. Some of the ranges are there. What are the ranges? First is Karakoram range. In Karakoram range, K2 peak is located, and K2 peak is the highest peak in India. Okay, it is Mount Everest is not located in India, it is located in Tibet, but K2 in Karakoram range, K2 peak is located in India. The height of K2 peak is 8,611 meters. It is highest peak in India. And in Ladakh range, Nanga Parbat is highest peak in Ladakh range. What is the height of the Nanga Parbat? Here 8,826 meters. Height of Nanga Parbat peak. And come to the Dhavalagiri. Come to the Nanda Devi. The height of the Nanda Devi is 7,817 meters. Next peak, next important peak, Dhavalagiri. The height of the Dhavalagiri peak is 8,177 meters. Next important peak in Himalayas is Annapurna. The height of Annapurna is 8,078 meters. And the next very important peak and highest peak in the world, it is located in Tibet. The peak is Everest. The height of Everest is 8,848 meters. Next important peak, Makalu. This peak, the height of this peak is 8,481 meters. Another important peak in Himalayas is Kanchanjunga. The height of Kanchanjunga is 8,598 meters. And last important peak in Himalayas, it is easternmost peak of India. It is Nancha Barwa. The Nancha Barwa peak is, the height of Nancha Barwa peak is 7,756 meters. These are the Himalayan peaks, very important Himalayan peaks or Himalayan mountains. These peaks are located. And next, come to the Aravalli range. Here in Rajasthan, Aravalli range is located. Aravalli range is located in Rajasthan state. In this Aravalli range, Mount Abu hills are located in Aravalli hills. In Aravalli range, Mount Abu hills are located. These are called Abu hills. In this, Guru Shikhar is highest peak in, this is Guru Shikhar. Guru Shikhar is highest peak in Aravalli hills. What is the height of the Guru Shikhar? It is 1,722 meters. The height of the Mount Guru Shikhar, the height of the Guru Shikhar is 1,722 meters. This Guru Shikhar. Next, come to the in Nilagiri hills, where the eastern and western Ghats, these are the eastern Ghats, we know that these are the western Ghats. These eastern Ghats and western Ghats are meet in Aravalli range. Okay, sorry, Nilagiri range. In Nilagiri range, in the Nilagiri range, Dodabetta peak is located. What is the peak? Dodabetta. The height of Dodabetta is 2,637 meters. What is the height of the Dodabetta? The height of the Dodabetta is 2,637 meters. Next, in Kerala, Annamalai hills are located in Kerala. where in Kerala Annamalai hills are located. In these Annamalai hills, Anaimudi peak is the highest peak. Anaimudi peak is the highest peak. The height of the Anaimudi peak is 2695 meters. This Anaimudi peak is the highest peak in South India. Okay, this Anaimudi peak, which is where is located? It is located in Kerala hills. In Kerala state, Annamalai hills, this Anaimudi peak is located. The height of the Anaimudi peak is 2695 meters. This Anaimudi peak is the highest peak in South India or Southern India or in Deccan Plateau. Okay, and this is Dodabetta. Dodabetta, where is Dodabetta's peak located? The Dodabetta peak is located in Nilagiri hills. Where these Nilagiri hills are located, where these Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats, these two are meet in Nilagiri hills. In this Nilagiri hills, Dodabetta is the highest peak. Okay, the height of the Dodabetta peak is 2637 meters. These are the important peaks in India.